Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in the black paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as heated front cloth bucket seats, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, forward collision alert with automatic low-speed braking, lane keep assist with departure warning, a power tailgate, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock, some storage and our power tailgate button in the bottom of the door, and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. The back of the steering wheel on either side, we have some hands-free. Driver's seat is a power finish, finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In our display cluster, we have a digital driver information system in the center. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert with automatic low-speed braking, and lane keep assist with departure warning. Then on the right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Also have a phone connection, wireless hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. If we put the vehicle into reverse, backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Additional controls on the bottom are our home button, seek track buttons, volume, as well as hands-free. Just to the left, we have our push-to-start ignition, which is to the right of our steering wheel. Dual zone climate control with our sync settings, AC, and front and rear defrost. Heated driver and passenger seat. Below we have a USB-C, USB, aux, and a flip-open 12-volt plug for charging with some storage. All-wheel drive as well as parking sensors on the left and right-hand side. We have our shifter in a leather finish, 2 cup holders, our parking brake, storage space where we can also currently see our key fob. On our key fob, locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. Opening into our center console, you can see we have some deep storage, as well as a coin tray that's removable in the front. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth and is heated. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, at the front we have our OnStar, dome lights on either side with our dome lighting controls in the middle, as well as a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have a silver alloy rim with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap. Moving up, we have paint match mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles with deep tint rear glass. All the way around to the back of the vehicle, we can see our Equinox badging, as well as our all-wheel drive LT badging. Black Chevrolet bowtie. We have a power tailgate with our release underneath, right next to our backup camera. The back of the vehicle, we have 60/40 fold-in rear seating. We have some storage underneath. You can also fold our seats from inside the back of the vehicle or through the handle in the back of the seat. Lastly, we can close our vehicle on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, between the front 2 seats, we have our 2 vents, as well as 2 USBs for charging. Storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. Moving to our second row seating, we have a 60/40 folding split, finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have our 2 cup holders. Lastly, to fold the outboard seats, we have our handle in the corner or through the back of the vehicle, and we can see that makes some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.